How's it going, everyone? In this evening's episode we're going to be making raspberry and coconut upside down cake with the raspberries from our garden. First, we've buttered our pan ready, and then what you want to do is get your raspberries and cut them all in half. That way they spread across the pan a lot easier, and it doesn't take up as much space in the pan, so there's more room for the cake. So once you've lined your pan, it's time to cream your butter and sugar together. Now we're using a dairy-free butter today, you can just use normal butter. So now you've creamed together your sugar and the butter. To add in one of your eggs. And slowly mix this together. So now you've added one egg and it's mixed in a little bit. It's time to sieve in a little bit of your flour. We've actually added a teaspoon of baking powder in with this flour. So you want to get about half of it. Then you want to fold in your flour quite gently. And once that's mixed in a little bit, it's time to add another egg. And the reason I do this is a little bit different. Is it actually stops it splitting, and that can be quite a common mistake when making a sponge. So then you add this egg, and then you want to add in your coconut. Folding them in, and then it's time to add in your vanilla. And the rest of your flour. And that will just fold the rest of the flour in. As you can see, it all comes together a lot easier than when you put in all the ingredients together at the beginning. You can see this is the exact kind of consistency you're after. And now it's ready to go in your cake tin. You just want to gently pour this in, making sure not to disturb the raspberries too much. It might not look like enough mixture right now, but remember, this is going to rise. So there you have it, ready to go in the oven